Skip the sugary breakfast. Your body will thank you for this. Dragon fruit. Cube it. Drop it in. Frozen banana. Naturally sweet. Almond milk. Just enough. Honey. Smooth, golden, rich. Blend it. Watch that. Thick, vibrant, creamy. Pour it out. Now build it. Banana slices, granola, coconut flakes, chia seeds, final drizzle of honey. This right here is how you start your morning right.